Billy. Stand up and show Daddy how you walked. Walk over to Daddy. Now you're just having fun.
Come here.
Where are you going? Now come over, walk over to me. You have to walk over to me. Come get it.
Emma.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Where are you going?
Remind me, I got 10 minutes to put the cheese on there. Oh, what's on 7:44?
What you got, Emma? Where are you going?
Where are you going?
It's like she's practicing. I'm practicing to get good at walking. Hi.
Where are you going, Pumpkin? Where are you going? Oh.
See ya.